Hey Dill fam, hope you guys are doing well. It's your girl Bella back again with another video. Now I know I haven't posted for a little while, so I definitely wanted to piggyback on these TOBEGLAM products that we last unboxed in one of my last videos. So we're going to be testing out a variety of their new products. This nail glue kit, which comes with the nail glue as well as some, these seem to be like long or medium coffin nail tips. So we're going to be testing these out. We're going to be testing out the gel polish, and we're going to also be using some gel liners. So we're going to be doing a quick 90s kind of pastel nail design set. Now I've applied the nail glue gel to the nails, full cover nail tips. I've already kind of buffed around that cuticle area, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my my nails. And I have a pop off or a peel off base on my nails already, so I want to be able to take these back off, and these apply to my nails very, very smoothly. So I do believe that this nail glue gel from TOBEGLAM is a really great quality. I didn't even have no bubbles or nothing like that. Seamless application. All right, so well done on that. So I've picked out some gel polishes that I want to use to design this nail set. Some of these were recently sent to me, and then this one was from a previous nail gel polish collection that I had. I have my base as well as my top coat here, and we're just going to go ahead and get started on this nail design. Now, I did post on the community board, if you guys are already following me, that I will be going back to education. So some videos that I push out over the next coming days and weeks won't have as much talking in them, which probably is a good thing, because I do talk a lot in a lot of my videos. This probably be one of the very last videos that I have a lot of talking in. And I just wanted to, go out with a bang and say thank you guys so much for all of the support you've given me thus far. Hopefully I continue to maintain that support. I will be still pushing out videos as often as I can, but I am enrolling in a course in accounting and business, and that, I feel like that's going to take up a lot of my head space. So the last thing that I want to do is have the stress of having to do a voiceover, unless it's for a specific product that really needs me to be kind of explaining it. So I just wanted you guys to know, if you do notice there's a difference in the future videos coming to my channel, is because I am trying my best to get back into study mode and see if I can get a degree in a couple of years. It's going to take a while. Oh my goodness. I hope my brain is still working. So that's one thing. And then the other thing is I have been traveling more, like since we're now in post-pandemic, and the airlines are doing lots of different specials, especially here in Europe. I've been booking tickets left, right, and center, and trying to travel. And I want to encourage you guys that are, you watch videos, or if you are a nail content creator yourself, and if you're depressed, or because sometimes trying to do videos, trying to do content can get very monotonous. They can get very, very what's another word for monotonous? Just you're doing the same thing over and over again. And you definitely need to take a break for yourself and plug in some me time and go to see some new places and see some new faces and do some new things. So I had the awesome opportunity to go to Amsterdam. Oh my goodness, what happened in Amsterdam stays in Amsterdam, no joke. I got to go to Belgium, which has some of the best tasting chocolates in Europe. And I hopped over to the UK as well. I'm actually booked for another trip back to, I think, going to London this time. And then I would like to also visit later on down this year. I would like to maybe hop on over to Spain or another European country or two. So I'm definitely making more time to scheduling me time and scheduling a break, because we've kind of been locked up for the last 2 years. It's time to get out, smell the roses, get out in the fresh air, and do some amazing things. So I know I've been reading a lot from different nail YouTubers, and just in general, people are just, they're not enthusiastic, or they don't feel like they're in the mood to do any videos and stuff like that. And that happens, and that can happen. And when it does, it simply means you need to take a break. So go take a break, go online, find a ticket, book the ticket, take the flight, eat the cake, and enjoy life, guys, honestly. All right, so back to the nails. I really felt like I needed to say that. I don't know why. Yeah. I really enjoyed my trips, guys. Like if you can find something that's really affordable, just do it. Even if you don't have to take a flight if you don't want to. Go down the road to the nearest restaurant and enjoy something new to eat and something new to drink. Simple things. Anyway, we're supposed to be talking about this tutorial about the nails. But this is a 90s pastel. I have done a 90s type design on my channel before. And I just wanted to show you how simple and easy doing a 90s design does look. You're literally just splashing colors onto your nails, and then you're just going to draw some lines and some dot onto the nails, and that is basically what the 90s nail design is looking like. Like, I know it probably looks like a big mess, like, oh my gosh, what is this girl doing? The nail design looks weird. Of course, if you're a long time subscriber, I love weird nails and I love weird nail art. So yes, it is weird, but in the end, it all comes together and it looks absolutely amazing. All right, so I am going to leave you here to finish watching the nail design and the nail art come together. And thank you to TOBEGLAM for sending me these amazing products. I do have the polygel kit that I will be doing a design for. And I also have their solid gel palettes. Guys, if you have not watched that unboxing of the TOBEGLAM products, definitely go and watch that video. Highly recommend this brand for the quality and the consistency. And I feel like the pricing is still reasonable compared to what else is in or on the market right now. And don't forget, I have a discount code, so you can also use that as well. Anyway, let's finish off this nail design and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, we are putting the finishing touches on this nail design. We're doing our last little bit of dots and our last little bit of strokes using these gel liners from TOBEGLAM onto the nails, as you can see. And once we are done curing them, we will take our top coat and apply it to all of the nails and then give it a final cure under the UV lamp. Don't forget to file around the edges and kind of clean up those lines, making sure the side walls and the free edge is nice and crispy. And here's a final look of this nail set. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.